Yesterday everything was dry because we hadn't had some rain for a while. Yesterday night, or last night it rained. Let's have a look what happens when we have some serious rain here. First of all, let's look at our next door neighbour's dam. It's sort of like right up against our place and always beautiful. So, hang on a minute. Right up against our place. That's the fence line. Oh, a little bit of an overflow there. But isn't that a beautiful thing to be seen? I see that from my studio when I'm working in the studio. Hello Lulu, comes over here. Now Brendan just cleared all of this yesterday, and that is a very deep little pond area, and he cleared it pretty much completely out, and now it's full. We've got a fair bit of froth happening over here from the amount of water, and when I got up this morning it was even higher than what it is now, and it runs just down there. But our dam, I've never seen it this full, so I've never actually seen the dam come up this high before. Maybe because it's normally much grassier than what it is now, and Brendan's done a clean out. But when we come around here, this is our neighbour's dam on the other side, and it's going completely over the dam wall. I think it's settled down a little bit because this morning, early on when I was looking at it, you couldn't actually see the dam wall, it was coming over so quickly. And then it's running into our neighbour's dam. That's pretty exciting. Now, to make something clear, the rain that we had last night was not just rain. See this tank that's in our old greenhouse? That tank there was empty last night, and our rain gauge, well, our rain gauge shows over 100 mils. For non-metric people, that's 4 inches. 4 inches in one rain event last night.